I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats.
Boop, 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 boop.
I don't know about you, but I love breakfast. And one of my favorite things to eat alongside my eggs and avocado are biscuits. Biscuits are the perfect light, fluffy, buttery, tasty treat to go with your breakfast. Or it could be your breakfast. Today, I'm gonna bake up some delicious biscuits to have with my breakfast. Let's start with the self-rising flour. So this recipe calls for self-rising flour, but why buy it when you can make it yourself? Here's what you need to do. Start with a cup of all-purpose flour. Boop. Add in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Boop. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This recipe makes a cup of self-rising flour, but you need 2.5 cups for your biscuits. So I triple the recipe. Time to whisk it. Whisk, 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 whisk. And done. Now, wasn't that easy? Let's finish these biscuits.
Grate 1 stick of frozen butter using the large holes of a box grater. Grate, 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 grate. Boop, boop, boop. Toss together butter with flour. Chill for 10 minutes. Preheat oven to 475. Make a well in the center of the mixture. Add 1 cup of chilled buttermilk. Stir 15 times. Dough should be sticky. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Roll dough into a rectangle about 9 by 5 inches. Fold dough in half so short ends meet. Repeat rolling and folding 4 times. Cut with a 2.5-inch round cutter. Boop, 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 boop. Place dough rounds on parchment paper. Bake for 15 minutes or until lightly browned. Brush the tops of the biscuits with melted butter.
Biscuits are done. Shall we taste it? Oof, look. Flaky, delicious. You can make them bigger if you want. This is the perfect size for me. Butter time. I added a little honey to my butter. Why not? Biscuit, butter. So flaky, so buttery, so delicious. The perfect thing for your breakfast. Yummy. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking and eating biscuits.